My name is Gayatri Sanjay Khernar, and today's topic is why string is immutable in Java and HCP, and that is 29 December 21. So what are string basically? String is a sequence of character, or it may be a bunch of character. String can be defined as a sequence of character and array of character. String string can be string we can declare string by using two methods, that is by new keyword or by using letters. String can be declared as string s1 is equal to in double colon xyz and semicolon. Java string are created and manipulated through objects. String can be an object, or it may be a class. We can create a string by using letters and new keyword that is stored in heap. By using letter, it can be stored in ACB, and by using new keyword, it can be stored in heap memory area. uh, string letters String is a non-primitive data type because it refers to an object of which is in heap area, or which is in a SCP area. And next is why string is immutable. String can be called as immutable because it can be a constant. We cannot change the value of particular string in Java, so it is an immutable. String is immutable means that you cannot change the object itself, but you can change the reference of object. String being immutable automatically make a string thread safe, since they want to be changed when accessed from multiple threads. One string object is created, its data, or it cannot be changed, but a new object is created. Why string why string in why string object in Java are immutable? Because string pool is possible only because string is immutable in Java. This way Java Java runtime saves a lot of heap space, because different strings variable can refer same string variable in pool, is SCP pool. String is immutable. It is safe for multi-threading. Single string instances be shared among different threads. Uh, these avoid the use of synchronization for uh, for thread. String are implicitly thread safe. To create the multiple string in Java, string has the different classes: string buffer and string builder, where string class is used to immutable string. For example, suppose we are taking one reference of a variable, or refers to one object in string. If one variable changes the value of object, it will be affected by all reference variables. That's why string is immutable in Java. What is a SCP in Java? String constant pool is a separate place in heap memory where values of all string defined in a program are stored. SCP is a SCP SCP is an internal part of heap memory. SCP is possible only because string is immutable in Java, and its implementation of string internally internal concept. From Java 7 onwards, Java string pool placed in heap area, which is garbage collected by JVM. JVM is Java Virtual Machine. SCP allow files in a local file system, or a remote file system to be copied to local file system. String letters are stored in SCP area. We can declare the string as string s1 is equal to in double colon xyz semicolon, that is the declaration of string letters in Java. uh, SCP can be a, if we declare a variable in heap memory as xyz and we declare that particular variable in SCP also, that then it refers the first particular variables in Java. uh, uh, that's all about today's topic, why string is immutable and SCP. Thank you.